Hello, my name is Joseph, and today I'll give you a tour of the document I created. So I created the document by clicking New and creating a new document. Here is my final document here. Uh, so it is titled with my theme, and it has an explanation of the theme and why I chose it. I had some help from a friend, and he edited it and added some information. So he added a title and he added some important information on the explanation of my theme. Previously, I didn't have an explanation of my theme, and he added that important information. He also indented my paragraph.